So we're going to start with chat dev. Basically what chat dev is a AI framework that utilizes agents, and agents are autonomous or semi-autonomous artificial intelligent entities that you can create to do things for you. And so what chat dev has this project has developed an entire company, basically development software company with a number of different agents. So basically this is chat dev. They have a few different departments. They have a coding department with a few different agents that specifically all they're doing is coding. They're talking to each other about the code, saying, hey, why don't we do this? Why don't we do that? They have a testing department that will test the code. They have a designing department that actually designs the framework of the code. And then they have a documentation department that actually documents the code after it's created. And then this is the project manager or the executive. That's the one that kind of manages everything and also is an AI agent. So we're going to show you kind of how to use this with a specific prompt that we're going to develop here for a Discord bot that we're going to just kind of make on the fly. And then I'll be taking that code that we developed through chat dev and I'll be building it out in this live stream with you guys. So let's open up chat dev. So this is chat dev. Once you install it all, you will need a development editor IDE. I utilize VS Code for all of my coding, and you can use a number of them. So let's go ahead and get started. When you have chat dev, the biggest thing is the actual task that you give to it. So we are going to give a task to chat dev to make a bot. Once you have it, you go to run, and this is all you really need to know about. You come down to the arguments, and then you give it your task. What type of bot do we want to do? Mark, what do you think? What do we want to make tonight? What do you guys think? What type of bot do you want to make? Discord bot, a meme sender. You want to make a meme sender. So just to automate memes, just to constantly put out memes. That's actually pretty interesting. Okay. All right. Okay. Trying to think of, like, if someone says LOL, it just puts out a meme, like a GIF. Okay. I can think of a couple ways to do that. Okay. So you will develop a Discord bot that will, I'm trying to think of which framework we'll want to utilize for finding memes. I know there's Giphy, whatever. So let's go over here and say, is the Giphy API free to use? I think it's free to use. And if it is, we can easily put that in. Yes. However, it's important to note that there are certain limitations and conditions. Completely free if you plan to use it. Okay. Given a beta key, the key is rate limited to 42 search requests per hour. We're not going to do more than that for this testing purpose, but all right, cool. So let's give it that prompt. So we come over here. We're going to say, you will develop a Discord bot that will use Giphy API to create memes or find memes every time someone uses the command meme. That sound good, guys? Every time someone uses the command meme, you will use the following API. Developers, that looks good, I think. Let me see if that's right. And if you saw how that was just popping up, this is also AI that I'm using within VS Code to help me just kind of automate some things. As you just saw, I didn't even tell it to do this. I didn't even know about it. It just came up with it by itself. Yes, it is a extension. If you go up to extension, it is called GitHub Copilot. Right there, your AI pair programmer, and it works directly in here for you. The bot should be able to search for a meme using a keyword. The bot should be able to create a meme using a keyword. The bot should be able to search for a meme. Let's just do using a keyword or phrase put in by the user. All right, perfect. I think that's good. So we have, you will develop Discord bot that will use Giphy API to create memes or find memes every time someone uses the command meme. You will use the following API, blah, 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 blah. You will use discord.py to create the bot. Once you have that created, you're just going to run it. And then we'll take a look at it running so you guys can see kind of what that looks like. So right now it says note that we must only discuss the product modality and do not discuss anything else. So this is where basically taking what we gave it and it's telling its teams how to do this thing, how to execute, right? Overall, an application is the most suitable product, blah, 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 blah. So it's doing its thing. While that's doing its thing, let's go back over here. Okay, find me the exact website I need in order to get my API key. As you can see, I don't search for anything myself. I don't use Google. I just use Perplexity. I don't spend time searching for stuff. There we go. Developers Giphy. All right, let's go back. I create an app. Choose an app. There it goes. No, custom pre-built. No, we don't need that. Optimize asset loading, playback, performance. Nope. We just need it to find the GIFs and return them. So I think the API is perfectly fine. We don't need the SDK. So SDK, for people that aren't aware, software development kit. And I don't think we need to work with their SDK for this. I think API is perfectly fine for this limited application. So we're going to call this Brass Meme Bot. Add a description for all our meme pleasures. Let's see how this is working. Looking good. Go to the warehouse. Once this is building, you could actually go to the warehouse to check the code. So if we go into discord.py, not too much, bot.py. All right. So it's got some development already. Jiffy API key, Discord bot token. It's got the request, or at least the URL for the request. Nice. So it's doing its thing. It's developing some stuff. Very cool. And that's just running in the background. Now we are going to go get our Discord bot token. We're going to go up here to new application, and we're going to say Brass Meme Bot by clicking create, reset token, bam. All right, this is all we'll need. We'll just need this token, Discord token. All right, let's check on the bot. Okay, it's still doing some coding, it looks like. Yep. Discord.py. So we're doing discord.py and requests. Okay, it's not bad. Bot command, async, prefix. Okay, that's good. That's fine. All right, so we have this here. It says it's done. It also created a manual right here where it tells you how to do everything, how to install the bot, everything like that. So what we're going to do is work on it in an entirely separate file. So basically, you would go into the chat dev file system. You would grab that entire folder that it created. You're going to copy that and you're going to bring it out of that directory into its own directory. All right. So this is the new bot that it just created, that the AI system just created. We didn't have to do any of this code. So we're going to say the API key, delete that. We'll put that in later. There we go. Delete that. And cool. We have the Discord bot token. Let's get the API key. There it is. So this is the Jiffy API key. Put that in here. And we are going to save. And then we're going to run this bad boy. And I am pretty sure, hold on. Yeah. That it's going to not work. I am almost 90% positive this is not going to function. But it's a great starting place. And I'll show you why. Because A, you didn't have to think about all of this. It did it all. So that's great. Let's pull this up. Get set up. Now we're just going to be using these couple things. So let's go ahead and run. And let's wait for the errors. All right. Intents. So that's one thing that the bot forgot to put in, or chat dev forgot to put in, which is the intents for the Discord bot itself. Every time that you have a Discord bot, you want to ensure that you are giving it exactly what permissions that it should have. All right, let's see what it says. The error you're encountering, type error, root botbase.init, missing one required keyword, only argument intents, is due to the fact that the Discord Pi library requires an intents argument when initializing a bot instance. This argument is used to specify which events the bot should subscribe to. So this is the permissions that the bot actually has to do within the Discord environment. Intents, Discord intents default creates an instance of Discord intents, and then initialize. So we'll go ahead and take that, copy that. We'll come back over here to Discord bot and we'll put that in right there. Let's run that bad boy again. Discord bot running. We have logged in as Brass Meme Bot. Okay, so you see how easy that was? It was one error. And this is why I'm saying using chat dev to create this super easy. And you could do this with anything, right? So it's already logged in. If you look right here, it's logged in. And we'll go ahead and how to invite my Discord bot into our server and give it permissions, including intent to read and send messages in the server. Okay, host in-app authentication bot. All right, so when you're making the bot to invite in, all you need is the bot. All right, here we go. Select server. We'll bring it into Brass Synergy. Authorize. Wait, are you a human? Yes. All right, we're in Brass Synergy. Now, let's start the bot up. And one more time. Yeah, Bass Meme. All right. Oops, I misspelled it. But anyway, it is here. It is on. Let's go to the builder chat. Let's take a look at meme. Let's meme command. Try response. Bot command. Yeah. All right. So it's not reading. We probably didn't give it the intents. Hold on. So we'll take this. I'm not going to do this right now. I'm going to go to ChatGPT and we'll give it the intent to read messages in the Discord. Give this Discord bot the correct intents to read and send messages in Discord. Because we gave it default, but we never updated it with the actual. Yep, there it is. Messages true, messages content. All right, let's change the default. Save. We'll restart the bot. And we got another error. Requested privilege intents have not been explicitly enabled. So you have to enable all intents before you give it those. So we'll come over here and we'll give it all of these intents, privilege gateways, give it the admin, save changes. This is basically giving it everything that it can do. Run it again and it has the intents. So we'll come back over here, meme LOL, and there we go. We have a meme creation bot, and that's pretty quick. That's a pretty quick little bot. There you go. That is a meme bot created, I don't know, 30, 40 minutes. We did almost no coding, right? I mean, the only code that I did is I deleted this, just put in the different API keys. Everything else was just AI. I gave chat dev the prompt. When I had errors, I just put it into either Perplexity or ChatGPT, and I got it to give me what was needed. So I really didn't do much at all. Very, very, very simple. And there you go. Brass Meme Bot. Not exactly a meme, more of a GIF, but hey, whatever. We could probably find a meme API. But there you go, guys. What you think? What you think? That was less than an hour. You developed a bot. Look at that. Look at that. Look at it go. Look at it go. And we built this in really, if it wasn't on chatting and walking through things, you would build this in probably 20 minutes. 20 minutes and you would have this, for any community you're in, you could be like, hey guys, let's create this, and you have your own bot that you just put into a community. So pretty dope. Anyway, my dinner's here, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the chat and just at me, and I'll answer them as soon as I'm done eating and I come back. All right? I appreciate you guys. I hope you learned something. I hope you got something from this. I hope that you will, utilize some of these AI kind of workflows to your advantage to really kind of get a leg up on the competition and really do as much as you can to better yourself. Yeah, we learned a lot of things. Dope. All right, guys. Have a great night. If you have any questions, let me know.